In this video, we're going to talk about combining like terms, which is on page 7. So a like term has the same variable structure, and then when we combine like terms, we do that by adding the quantities of each one of the like terms. So if we are to just take a look, notice that 5a, and although this is also an A, these are not the same variable structure because one is capitalized and one is not. So I'm just going to highlight all the A's, the lowercase A's. Let's see, I think that is all of them. And then I'm going to list them out here so I know which ones I'm working with. So 5A, another 5A. Just doesn't want to keep the A's. 6A. That A, losing the A's here for some reason. Well, let me write them up here. So we have 5A, 5A, 6A, A, and then negative 5A. And so when we want to combine these like terms, we're just going to add what we call the coefficients. And so we're going to take just the numbers in front of, I'm not sure why that disappeared. So we're going to add coefficients. See if this will hold it this time. And so we're going to just take 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus this plain old A has an imaginary 1 in front of it. Understood 1 that's right there. Plus a negative 5. And when we combine these together, we're going to end up with 12. And now we don't want to forget that variable structure, so we need the A there. Another one that I want to do is negative 5t and any other little t's here, so it's 4t. And I'm going to, let's see, I'll try and write it here. No, well, highlighter won't work, so let's try the pen. Negative 5t and 4t. Oops, that disappeared as well. I don't know why it's deciding to disappear on us. So we need negative 5 plus 4, and that's going to give us, so we can write this as either negative 1t, or we could just drop the 1, just kind of like the imaginary 1 in the 1a. We can have negative 1t, or we can just say negative t. And one more that I'd like to do is this 3TP and a negative 3TP. So we have, and I'm going to write this just below here so hopefully we don't lose anything, like we lost that highlighting there. So we have 3TP and we have negative 3TP. And when we combine these, we get 3 plus a negative 3. So we can either say 0TP, or we can just say T, or we can just say 0. So there is no, if we put a 1TP here, then it's understood to have, or if we have just TP, then it's understood to have that 1. So 0TP, 0 times T times P is just simply 0.